Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add Payoneer account to your eBay so that you can start receiving payments. Now when I first started doing eBay dropshipping, like Payoneer wasn't available at that moment. Only like PayPal was available, but now they removed PayPal, which is the best thing they have ever done. I had like a lot of problems with PayPal. Anyway, that's not today's video. By the way, I will leave I will add the video in the screen if you want to start eBay dropshipping, which is like a very profitable business. Now let me show you exactly guys how you can add Payoneer account to your eBay. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys is you want to click here on sell in the top right. Okay, so that's the only way you can add Payoneer, is to act like you are going to sell something. It doesn't really matter, you can just come up with any product or anything. You can just list your handmade product or a used item in your house, or you can just upload random images from Google and act like you are going to sell something. This way you can then link your Payoneer, because at the end when you try to list the product, you will ask you, hi, if you want to list this product, we are going to save it as a draft. Now you will have to add your Payoneer account. That's exactly why I'm telling you to do this. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to come up with a title here. For example, the title, I'm going to title this how to add Payoneer account to eBay, or you can just title it whatever you want, like iPhone case or something like that. Okay, so now after that you want to add the images here. Okay, you want to add the images for the product, and also you will have to add here like the item specifications. Doesn't matter, you can just come up with anything randomly, and here the topic, stuff like that. Okay, so here it says list it faster. I'm going to book title how to. Okay, so here you can just anything. Okay, here it says use AI description. You can just click on use AI description for them to write a description for you. Like the AI description, it's a new technology. eBay has partnered with ChatGPT so that you will be able to create descriptions easily using the AI. Okay, they create description based on your title. Like if your title is iPhone keys iPhone 13 or something like this, you just write a description based on that title. That's how it works. Now here when it says action, you want to add here buy it now. Okay, and after that you want to scroll down, and I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, so here the quantity, I'm going to add 2. Okay, you can add 1 if you want. And here the shipping. Okay, the shipping price, I'm going to add here add primary service. I'm going to add here FedEx ground economy, or like economy shipping. I'm going to add you can also add 2 shipping companies. I'm going to add here economy shipping, and here it says item location. You just need to add here your own location. Okay, after that you click on list it now. So the moment you click on list it now, they will ask you guys to add your own Payoneer account. Okay, that's exactly how it works. Like at the moment you click on list it now, like eBay will take you directly to Payoneer so that you can connect your Payoneer account to your eBay. Of course you have to create an account on Payoneer, assuming you already did that. Okay, I just don't know why this is taking so long. Probably this is like an error here. Okay, so this is something. If there is an error with your listing, you can just go up and you will see the reason. Like here for in this case, item location, buy it now, price, item specifics, shipping services. Okay, let's fix item location. I'm going to go to item location, and I'm going to reload this page. It seems like there is an error here. Okay, so the item location. Okay, so the item location is, I'm going to change it to here. So the city is Agadir. Okay, now we are done with item location. Now the shipping service, I'm going to add here economy shipping, save, and scroll up. Here the price. Okay, I forgot to add here the price. I'm going to price this $20. Don't worry, nobody's going to buy this. Okay, so I'm going to add here $20. I'm going to try to list now, and if there is any error again, I'm going to fix it. Okay, it says here looks like something is missing or invalid. Please fix any issues and try again. Okay, item specifics. Okay, so item specifics, add language, additional require. Okay, the language here I'm going to add, for example, English. Okay, and what else? What error? The shipping service. Okay, so I'm going to fix here the shipping service. I'm going to add here oversized items, and here optional. Everything is optional. Okay, now let's try to list this. I'm going to click on list it. Okay, it will take you directly now to this page. As you can see, sign in with the passkey, which I'm going to do that right now. Okay, it will take you guys directly here to this page. It says set up your selling account, connect Payoneer, which is the first step, sync eBay and Payoneer profiles, and add your financial info, which is like a credit card that will be used to charge you, with the eBay fees. Okay, just so that eBay can be safe. That's it. Submit registration info, and then when you submit, it will take a few hours, and then you will be accepted. Here, after you want to scroll down, click on get started, and here you want to add here your phone number. Okay, and after you add your phone number, I'm going to add here the code that is this is the code. Okay, I'm going to 551307. Okay, and then click on continue, and it will take you to the next page to add your own Payoneer account. Do you want to continue with an individual account? Of course, you will have to have an individual account. Okay, and then click on continue, and it will take you guys directly to Payoneer. If you don't have a Payoneer account, you can just create it. If you don't have it, as you can see, it says here, do you have an existing Payoneer account for this person? You can click on yes, sign in, or create a new one. Okay, if you don't have a Payoneer account. Now, because I have it, I'm going to click on yes, sign in. It will take you guys directly to Payoneer, as you can see. And just click on sign in, enter here the password. I'm going to do that right now. And then click on sign in. That's it. Now it will take you to the next page, which add your financial info. Just to add your credit card info and submit registration, which is you just need to click on submit, and then they will get back to you within a few hours. And that's it. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.